Morristown, has issued a warning for Anderson County, Knox County, until 9:45 a.m. National Weather Service Doppler radar of Kingston. Doppler radar showed this tornado moving east at 55 miles per hour. Locations in the warning include tornado. This storm is capable of producing tornado-size hail and destructive straight-line winds. The safest place to be during a tornado. If no basement is available, use blankets or pillows to cover your body. If in mobile homes or vehicles, side of substantial vehicles. If no shelter is available, lie flat in the nearest ditch or other low spot and cover your head with a tornado. Remains in effect until 11 p.m. Friday evening for southwest north.